My name is Dawn Broxome-Pape. I'm a Transition 2 teacher for Marquette-Alger RESA. So I was actually a general education teacher and working in a program where funding dried up. And so my organization had another opportunity, and I stepped into that role and knew that I couldn't continue on with it unless I got the certification for special education. And I knew it would open a lot of doors and hopefully impact a lot of lives. So that's what I went for, and that's what I continue to do today. A big thing that we're trying to do in the transition programs is build independence. So we work with post-secondary education students, and they are trying to build skills so that they can lead more independent lives. And that means a lot of things, right? Cooking, cleaning, busing, functional math, recreation and leisure, community-based instruction, shopping. We have in our program 3 different levels of transition, and I work with students who are most independent so they can navigate the community using public transportation or at least work their way in that direction, building their confidence and skill set. We really focus on a lot of functional math, so budgeting, sales tax, tipping, things that we all would use day to day out in the community. The room that we're in right now is our studio space, so we have a lot of pre-vocational areas where students can build skills here in the school with supervision, and then they can hopefully translate those out into real world businesses, and hopefully some of them will get the opportunity for paid employment. I mean, they're transitioning from K through 12 education where it's pretty structured, and here we have a lot more flexibility to tap into what an individual needs. And that means a lot of different things. It might be keeping on some additional services that are going to be some ancillary things like speech language or occupational therapy, some social work. But for all of us, we're trying to build work skills as a primary goal. There's no 2 days that really look the same, and we really individualize a lot. In this transition program, it's really quick to see progress. You're working right alongside them, modeling how to maintain stamina and endurance, and I think the progress that you can really see and witness is rewarding. It's overwhelming at times because I think that we get into this profession because we're caring people, but if you're caring and you're tapping into the whole-centered student approach, I think boomerangs back to you and makes you feel good that you're probably making a difference in a lot of people's lives.